I do want to get into one topic real quick. So for you, those that do not know, Chance is a famous TikToker. He tap dances.
Yeah.
So it's the fun. No, no, I'm just kidding. He is a TikToker and he is on. It's all about real estate, and he exploded. And I kind of want you to talk a little bit about that, of how that's affected your real estate as well.
Yeah, I mean, just going on TikTok and social media in general, if you guys are involved in real estate or whatever your niche is and you know a lot about, you should be putting content out about it, and you never know what's going to happen. I've made some great connections with a lot of people. It's the reason I'm actually on here today, is I've met Evan on Instagram. So it's like it's been great, and I've had people come into my DMs through TikTok blowing up, that it just lends that source of credibility to you when you have a bunch of followers or what have you, and you get more sight on you, and you just get more money in general. Everything about it is good. You get more deals brought to you. You get more people wanting to work with you. I mean, I would recommend starting right away for sure.
Yeah. So walk me through that weekend, that, just of that video popping. What were you thinking? Were you constantly putting out TikTok videos
so
at that point?
I was doing something like 4 or 5 videos a day, and the video that blew up, that got me from 50,000 to 220 in 3 days. I'd already posted. It was a repost video, and so it's like TikTok, it just picks stuff up at like different times. So I mean, I've just tried different times with different hashtags, and it finally picked it up. And I mean, you're talking. I was doing like 100 to 150 new followers a day. But when you get followers on TikTok, they all come at once. I remember I went to bed and I woke up and I had 130,000 new ones. And I took a screenshot and I was like, this cannot be real. This is unreal. And I mean, it was super exciting. I mean, I had a great 3 days for sure with it.
Yeah. And now you're constantly running that as a business, correct?
Yeah. So I'm trying to get more involved with making it have more systems in place to get kind of these videos up daily. Kind of carve out a time to make the content and do all that. Because I mean, making content, let me tell you, being a content creator is not an easy thing. It takes a lot of time, and you have to just bust out a lot of information and hope that something sticks.
Exactly. And then the fact that you're doing full-time real estate agent, full-time real estate investing, and on top of that, making multiple posts a day on that and creating new ideas. I mean, I could see that, being struggling to be able to do that.
Yeah.
But do you think that's brought you, just social media in general and all the hype that you've received, and obviously for a reason, if these people are still following you, still new followers, do you think that that's helped you with your network, as well as being able to reach people? And obviously, I mean, my thought would be, moving forward, if you had, let's say you were looking in Florida, you post a video saying, "Hey, I'm looking in Florida for a short-term rental. If anyone that knows anything about an off-market property, let me know." And I would think that the publicity that you're getting right now would help extremely.
Yeah, it definitely would. I've been going live on TikTok, and that's where you can like really connect with the people that are following you. And I'll do these like deal overviews. We'll look on Zillow and go to their market. And I mean, it's people from all over the United States. It's incredible. And I mean, it's well-qualified people who are ready to buy, who can, and they know about their market. And so, I mean, if I have a question about a certain market, I could definitely post on there and increase my network for sure.
And that's so valuable to be able to have that at your fingertips, and for you alone, that's incredible. I wanted to ask as well, because Instagram, you have a pretty good following on Instagram as well. Mm-hmm. Is that because, well, obviously not because of TikTok, but did TikTok help that as well?
Yeah. I mean, when TikTok is how I'm getting all of my followers on Instagram, actually, unless Instagram is showing people to follow me. But it's like, if I have a TikTok video blow up, like the one that got 1.5 million views, I got like 600 or 700 followers a day for like a week. Because right on TikTok, you have the Instagram link next to it. So they click it, go there, see that you're active on there, and then follow you there. And so it all kind of is congruent with itself, and it just kind of, it works out really well.
And if you feel comfortable with it, are you comfortable sharing the story about how you were able to make some money off of it as well?
Yeah, so I've got a calculator, like a rental property calculator, and it works really well. If you're looking to buy a 1 to 10 unit building, I mean, you can go in and use this thing, and it just kind of shows you your numbers. But I ended up putting a PDF download available for $25 in my bio, and I'm very thankful that I had that in there prior to my video blowing up. I would say in 7 days, I made something like $10,000 just from that calculator, which is
Wow.
incredible. I mean, it literally, I didn't think it was real until I was like, you know what, let's send an owner payment. And then it hit my account and I was like, holy moly, man, like this is incredible.
You looked at it and you're like, this is a glitch. This is not my
real,
money.
yeah.
I should not touch it.
Yeah, I mean, well, it's like I was working at Boeing making max $150-$200 a day and then getting tax on it. And then this comes out and is like, hey, you just made $10,000 in the last 3 days.
Oh my gosh. That's the power of social media right now. I mean,
incredible.
seriously, it's exploding. And I've heard that TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn are some of the, I think Gary Vee actually said that. I think those are some of the best places to post because they don't go off of your audience looking at it and interacting with it. They kind of just, it kind of just shoots out everywhere. And, I just heard that they're great. And TikTok, I mean, obviously that's the newest one.
Yeah. I mean,
it's exploding.
You can post a video and get a million views on it with 0 followers. That's why TikTok is so important. Because I mean, if Instagram, you post, you're going to reach maybe like a 10th of your audience. It's incredible.
Yeah.
Reach nobody. TikTok is like you post and you can reach everybody. It's insane. And so
exactly. I think I have one TikTok on, or I have a TikTok account. Never use it. I think I put one on there. I got like 100 views and like 70 likes, and I'm like, what the heck is going on? So I mean, obviously you were in the right time, right time of your video exploding, and that's something that you can fall back on, and now that can help you so much with your business, and that's just another aspect of how you can be more successful. So I think that's huge, integrating those into your business. But anyways, Chance, you have been amazing so far, but we're going to work on getting you out of here now. Just a couple more questions, but cool. But yeah, I really appreciate it.